Oh, there.
Oh,
Rockfish.
got a little rockfish.
Ooh.
Well, we just got us little halibut down. What's up, fam? We out here in Northern California going clamming and eel fishing. We got all the fam out here. We got Dalton, Nick, Liam, Sophia, Eden, Mom, and Josie. So it's time to get to work. Oh, looks like they're on something here. Oh, cutting up the clam for eel bait. It's all in the technique right here.
Gotta have the special
Oh,
eel knife. See?
AKA mini machete.
AKA celery knife, right, Liam? Or is this broccoli knife?
Broccoli knife.
Broccoli knife. Look at those little chunks. Alright, we're gonna bait up and we'll catch you back in a second with some eels. Alright, we're in it. Here's the technique you use. You get a little wire, little bait down there, you find a little hole, send her down. Shove it down right in their face.
Wherever you can get it in a hole.
Yeah. Count to 30, Mississippi. Nothing. Go down the next hole. Oh, missed one. Do they usually bite in the same hole?
There we go. Got one.
Oh, Nick's got one.
Yeah!
Booyah! Just got that on video.
See that one? Pounder.
It's a nice size monkey face eel right there. Ooh,
boys.
slimy. Yum yum. All right, boys, that's how it's done. So we gotta keep getting them.
See where I went in, Liam?
Right here.
Your sweet spot.
I got a bite right here, but
You just had one. You gotta fling them out.
Yeah, move the seaweed out of the way.
You gotta fling them out.
fish right here. Kind of cool. Little guy.
Definitely got hit.
Video's going. Okay, here we go.
Straight back, yeah.
Right down in this little crack?
No.
Right in there.
Let's see. Well, I got hit. So, yeah. Be a little tick. Oh. These little pieces don't tick you? Right here, no. Pull out. Oh, you need to be over here.
Over there.
Yeah.
Let's see if Nick can get one.
Oh.
Oh. You kind of wait a second till they really bite on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shove it in. It's in that corner.
Okay. Here we go. Going down into the corner.
Feel it? You can go in there.
Don got rockfish. Don had a nice rockfish.
That's what I was
Getting
getting hit
anything?
on.
Oh.
That was funny.
Put it back in there, Lance.
No, I flung him out into the fell.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
That was funny.
Oh, there.
Oh,
rockfish.
got a little rockfish right there.
Can you keep those?
Got it on video.
Too small, but yeah, we can keep anything.
Oh, Liam's got a little guy. Good job, Liam.
Throw 'em back.
Oh, little guy.
That is perfect bait.
That's perfect lingcod bait, boys.
Oh, that one. He swallowed. I flipped the thing around.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna die.
Let's see.
Stand next to you, which I'd be happy to do. And then I can just.
Okay.
Okay. Stand here, Jordan. Oh! I'm holding Let's see, Jordan. Some little rockfish. Nice.
Video. Little rockfish just pulled it right out of the crack. We don't
Keep them.
keep these, right?
No, we usually get the foot ones.
Okay.
Whoop. Oh boy.
Sorry, guy.
Small. Ooh. Ooh.
Little monkey face eel. Caught it right around the same spot. Got my camera woman right here. Sophia, you want to catch one?
Maybe.
Let me get you set up here in a second. Oh, we just got us little halibut down in this little puddle.
We're gonna let him live.
Gotta go save him. Let him be old and wise and get caught by us later on in life. Have some tasty fish and chips. Delicious. Good spy, Nicholas. Back in it. So I pulled the last little guy out of. Let's see it just go down. Oh, nice little cavern right there. I think we might have already pulled one out there. Oh, nope, got one. I didn't even feel him. But I got that all on video. Booyah! Alright, here we go. Here's Dalton's first eel. Or second eel. I don't know. Definitely caught a few little rockfish. Nibbling. I'm gonna send mine down. See if I can find a good little crevicey. See if there's one around here. Oh, maybe. It's all murky. Can't really see if there's any.
There we go.
Ooh, booyah! Dalton got one.
I told you that's the spot.
Little guy. Right, we have to find a hole for Sophia. Oh, maybe right here. Right below us. You want to let Sophia get it?
Here,
Hey,
Sophia.
Liam, I need the pliers too.
I don't have them down.
Oh, they're right here. It's going. Here goes Liam. Sending it down in. Dice or no dice? Took his bait.
Get him.
Okay, here we go.
You can see his head pop out.
Oh, that was the spot that I was at before.
It was? It was covered with seaweed and I just moved it.
Yeah, well, the seaweed keep pushing.
Oh,
Keeps getting pushed back.
here we
You can
go.
see his head too.
Fourth time.
Oh.
He's got small lips. Come on, take it. Stop nibbling.
Zach, I have. I got it, so I'll get it this time.
Okay, he just keeps. Let Dalton have a try.
Good old try.
You can see him really come out.
Let's use the white mouth, open up and grab it.
Oh!
Oh my goodness! Ah!
That's it.
There's Dalton.
See if I get a second. You don't have a fishing license.
Oh.
That's okay, Mom.
Bleep, bleep.
That's right, boys. You like that?
The big one.
That thing's fatter than
Like saying this is the sweet spot.
Straight down that way. In the bucket.
Right down in.
Keeping it.
Yeah, I know.
Right down in here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's nibbling on it.
Oh, I see him. Oh, that's a.
Can't tell where his little hole's at.
You don't need to. He's coming out to get it. You might have all your bait. Oh,
I know, you wanted to see that.
he'll come out. You can see him. I watched him hit it.
Oh, there you go.
And it goes back here. Come on. We might have to wait and let him.
Relax.
Yeah.
Yeah,
didn't
I
feel
want
it.
to stick it down this hole. See if.
There's a little one in there. You got one right now. It's actually a cheater.
Got that one in a little baby hole. Oh, this one's an eater? Are you sure, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Sophia scored big. Look at that hog. The size of Liam's head right now. How's it feel?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Ooh, ooh.
Okay, he needs to get back out in the water. Check back in a second. All right, this is the Haws that was never caught. Big Haws. We'll get the seaweed out of the way first. Down there, yes sir. Okay. Oh, there's another big red crab. See the red crab right there? All right, the GoPro died while we were out there, but we're back. We got the loot.
Is that Dalton?
No.
Dalton's got a bigger one.
There's
Big,
Dalton.
there's
Oh,
big boy.
the one that's still alive.
Still alive?
Yeah.
Slimy suckers.
Oh. Come on. Oh.
Very much alive.
2 seconds later.
Here we go.
Oof. This is the biggest eel of the day. Dalton got.
I'm gonna kill him.
Gotta get something
Here's your flash.
We won't worry about the extra half pound of crawfish on there.
It's like 1.85
There we go.
pounds.
Okay.
That is the biggest monkey face
Let's
eel.
try. Alright.
Let's try it now. With all the
Zero
rocks off.
sharks.
Here, Dad. Let me smack him. Let me smack him.
Right in the forehead.
Okay, we don't need a video of that.
1.8.
That's still a fatty.
That was the biggest one. Almost 2-pounder. We got probably 5 or 6 other ones in there. You caught the second biggest one probably.
Another tan one.
How many did
Yeah,
you, how
measure.
many did you catch, Lane?
3.
3 keepers? How many did you keep, Nick?
I don't know, 2 maybe.
I caught 2. And then I think Dalton said he caught 2.
We're right at 10, huh?
Yeah.
How big was it?
1.8 pounds.
That big one was?
Yep.